K Station.
Reasons why 8 a.m. classes are terrible. Number one, so early, man. It's too early for class. Second, it's on a Friday, dude. Come on, Friday, really? But at the same time, I cannot complain. Morning classes are great because you know, you get out of the way. As you guys know, I'm in George Brown right now. Today's gonna be a special video. It's my girlfriend's birthday this Sunday, but I'll try to post it by Sunday. I'll see you guys after class. Yo guys, so we finished class. What's up? We're with Jackie here. Like Jackie Chan.
Snowing outside.
God damn, it's so freezing.
He's Calvin Klein. That's how I know him as.
Yeah. So we're just heading to the main building right now. There. Alright, I'll see you guys at the gym. What's up, everything? So we're at the gym right now. Trying to get my jeans on. That's about it. I'll see you guys in a bit. What's up guys, we are back to our normal pose and we're getting back home. I'm gonna go get a haircut. That was the gym. 30 minutes or so, I'd say. Oh, there you go. Thank you. Take care. Yeah, time to go get a haircut now guys. So, let's go. Yo, what's good guys? So, we're back at Scarborough. I'm gonna go get a haircut right now. Hopefully these guys are.
Hello?
Hello?
What?
Huh? YouTube.
YouTube? Oh my god!
Video. Just finished my haircut. It was pretty lit. Check it out. It's not bad, not bad. Alright, if you guys want a haircut, it's just down here. Near my place, near this, not this one, but it's near here. It's near Home Essentials, you know. Alright, I'm gonna get home, change up, go meet up with Kate, my girl, her birthday. I'll see you guys there. Hello. Hey guys, so this is the birthday girl here. We are going to go get some dog. Yeah. Are you?
I'm here for 1 hour.
Oh man, that's
Someone
sucks.
will ask me for directions.
You know where we're going here. We'll see you when we get to the place. We're in this really fancy store, restaurant. Here's the menu. Look at the prices. Look at the prices. We're at this restaurant. It is a pretty fancy restaurant. I cannot lie. But they sell Peking duck, and this birthday girl here wanted some Peking duck. So we brought her here, or I brought her here to have some. Ding.
That's it?
Yep. And we can also get those stuff, the dim sums. They have towels, bro. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Oh. Oh, towels. Yes. Being made before. Do it right here in front of you. See that? That's like a whole dog, bro. Just for us. Oh my god. A whole dog. Are you surprised?
I've only had this like
Oh no, this is like legit, bro. Like they do it right in front of you, and it's so sick. Oh, look at that. Oh
Do you
yes.
want to take a picture?
Yeah, I'm doing a video. Yeah. Thank you. Did you want to take a picture? It's so good. Like, It's worth it, guys. It's worth the $68. Got the pancakes. You have the soybean paste, the Italians and stuff, the hot sauce. Alright, let's eat. Would you like to give a reason for why morning classes suck?
Everybody's dead.
Everybody's dead. You hear that? Colleges and universities, stop giving us morning classes, 8 o'clock classes. No one likes them, okay? No one likes them. Sometimes they're good, but sometimes they're like bad. Like, they're good because it's a good way to start your day. Like, oh, look at her reaction. Yeah. So guys, $100 worth of duck and 3 dumplings. Yeah.
The tea was $5.
Some. Yeah, no, the tea was $5. Would you go again? Yes. Well, I would go like on special occasions, yes, but not on an everyday, basis. Like unless YouTube, hey, unless you want to pay me, I don't mind going there every day, right? Hey, I don't mind. Our outfit's on point. Right, look at that. Ooh, alright, okay. And now we're just gonna walk around. That's pretty much it. Yeah. Like, look at these rooftops, guys. Oh my god, like, they're so pretty.
Can you see that? Oh, look at this rooftop. Wow. So pretty.
So guys, hey, right now we're lost. We're trying to go to Paradise. It's a little low-key bubble tea spot. I'm gonna take my girlfriend, right? And I think it's this way. I'm not too sure. We'll see in a bit. Catch you guys there.
Oh, sorry, I should go this way.
3, 2, 1, let's go. Oh.
The Arctic. And our plane crashed. We don't know where we are.
We ate 10 people.
There's so much snow. Eat the snow. Nice.
So we're back and we found the place right here. I don't know if you can see it. Oh yeah, we found the place.
How do you pronounce it?
Paradise. We're at Paradise now.
What did you say to me?
Wow, look at that. So guys, we're at the end of our trip. Ice cream is melting. It was your birthday, so leave a like as a happy birthday. And yeah, see you guys next time. Peace. YouTube.
YouTube? Oh my god!